All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for coming again. So I just watched I actually did a watch along for it. What Arnett Garden versus Dunbeholden, in which I believe was somewhat of a scrappy, but a little bit of excitement to it. I would say a little bit of excitement. We're going to get into some details of the game. We're going to speak through some of the goals and what could happen, what could be better. Because there's definitely some issues that I've seen in this game. I didn't see these issues when they were playing on the AstroTurf at the Captain Norris Burrell Center. But we're going to get to the details. But what I want you guys to do, and I would appreciate if you guys do it, is by hitting that like button and also sharing the content, people. Share the content. That's the only way it can go out. As you guys know, I am in YouTube prison. My channel was shadow banned, but I think that's also how it goes. I won't blame it on anyone, but I just part of it. But people, we're gonna get into details of the game. What I want you guys to do: smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go. All right, so we're back now, people. Remember, people, that the subscribe button. Remember, don't forget the subscribe button, people. Yeah, as you know, would appreciate it. All right, so Arnett Garden defeated Dunbeholden 2-0. Let's move the game from the beginning of the game. Now, the game started off quite nicely. I think that Dunbeholden started off a little bit better. My problem is that I didn't know why Dunbeholden didn't start their best striker, which is Atafroy Bygrave. Literally is the leading goal scorer right now because he's the one who came off the bench in the later stage of the game and scored a goal. First goal was scored. I believe that first goal was pretty much a good. It was a good goal. It was really a good goal. This is it. The keeper came out. He made the first save, but he could not. The keeper he tried to be as quick as possible off his feet, but as you know, keepers are not the quickest off their feet. But so that was the result of it. That is where we got the first goal. The first goal of the game from Luka King. He hit that one so hard in the back of the net. There is not much the keeper could have done with that one. And he ran off and yes, joined the massive celebration. These pics, because it's not a video, these pics are actually it's like a snapshot actually from Sportsmax, as you know. So Luka King opened the scoring and he definitely did enjoy that one. Now, that was a little bit after the first half, and that is where Arnett kind of grew into the game. They got a lot more confident. They started playing the ball around a lot more. The midfield get into the game. But the problem is that now Dunbeholden was playing mostly down the flanks. They were playing a lot of the ball down the flanks, trying to cut through. No, my bad. They were playing through the central area while Arnett was playing down the flank, because I think the Dunbeholden left back, he plays quite high, and that is the reason why quite so often the passes that were made were through the channels in behind the left back of Dunbeholden. Now, as the game proceeds down to the 80th minute of the game, I almost say 88. Let me get to that. That will be to the next goal, where I can tell you, it was a beautiful pass inside the channel. As I said, the left back consistently pushed forward a little bit too high, but so he kind of left that area a bit vacant, and there was a big gap in that area. Demari Deacon went down in the channel. He latched onto the pass, as you can see right there. Then that's, you know exactly what's gonna happen here. Before I played it, I would, you know what? Because so many of you guys already saw the goal, that goal. But I'm telling you, you can see this cut from 40 yards out, and he cuts him inside. And there goes. That's him. He cuts him inside, and he just went hard and low with the left foot inside the goal, and went off with his celebration, with his shirt off, and receive his yellow card. As you know, once you take off your shirt, you will receive that yellow card. Now, Coming off the bench, Atafry Bygrave, the most dangerous player right now in regards. Well, he's one of. I think Atafry Bygrave and Daniel Green are the two most lethal. The two most lethal players inside in anywhere around the 18-yard box. These guys are lethal. One chance. One chance. Even though Bygrave, well, he didn't get any clear-cut chances. He was trying to create it, most of his chances. But these guys just want a sniff of goal, and they will hurt you. They will genuinely hurt you. And that is where, let's get to Atafra Bygrave goal, where, let me see how we can go to that incident. Yeah, as you can see right here, it wasn't no prolific goal, just a striker sniffing around, a fox in the box type of goal. A striker sniffing around the 18-yard box and reaping the results and the reward for sniffing around. Now, let's get to some aspects. So the game was being played in Jacksaw, right? So the game ended Arnett Garden 2, Dunbeholden 1. Good game by Arnett Garden. I do think that Dunbeholden had a little bit more control over the game, but it boils down to the team that is more lethal, in which Arnett had more firepower. I won't say they had more firepower, because their most lethal player, which is Ronaldo Cephas, didn't really hit the target or find the back of the net. But with Dunbeholden of the likes of Bygrave and the pitch. But what happened is that you put the ball at the back of the net, and that's how you win the game. The problem is this now. The pitch, I had a huge problem with the pitch. The pitch caused the game to not to flow as though it want. I didn't see some of these missed passes, miscontrol, passes playing short, and all these aspects. I never really saw these when they were playing on the AstroTurf. Yes, I'm not saying that it wasn't there, but you didn't see it. You never saw it in this amount, in this significant amount, because it was quite a lot. A lot of missed passes, a lot of miscontrol as well, ball booming all over the place, a lot of that. And I do think that the type of terrain has so much to do with it. But I think that will fix by the time goes on. I believe that will fix. I won't go any further with this one, people. So it is actually a good game of football, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the last game. And later in the evening, I'll do an overall review. Either this evening or tomorrow, I'll do an overall review of the Premier League. And definitely, people, this has been really a good one. Hopefully, guys, hit the like button, people. And as I said, don't forget to smash the like button, people. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button, people. That is the only way to go. So we see you guys again until next time. This is Military Guna TV, people. We are out.